What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a trunk that just stopped closing out of nowhere. I'll be demonstrating it on my old Jaguar Series 3. This is not the car, but it's very similar to most vehicles. So let me show you guys how the trunk doesn't close. Open the trunk and locate the latch striker. The latch assembly hooks onto the latch striker to keep the trunk closed. Over time of slamming the trunk down, it can loosen the bracket and pushes the striker down. On these older Jags, there's a label that says "Don't slam the trunk close." The striker is covered by the trunk interior trim. Remove any plastic clips, retainer screws, mounting bolts, and the spare tire. I've already done all this. Loosen the bolts on the bracket and adjust the latch striker. On some vehicles like this Grand Marquis, you won't be able to adjust the trunk striker. If the striker doesn't seem to be the problem, the next thing we check is the trunk latch assembly. Check to see if the trunk latch assembly is stuck on the lock position. If it is, then use a flathead screwdriver to unlock it. To prevent this from happening again, lubricate the components and check to see if the latch assembly is in working condition by pushing the lock up and using the trunk handle to unlock it. If the latch doesn't open with the trunk handle, then the next solution will be to replace the latch assembly. You have to search on YouTube for your specific vehicle to get guidance on how to replace it. Alright, you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, you guys, and let us know in the comment section what exactly did you do to close the trunk, and make sure to mention the year, make, and model of your vehicle to help out any other viewers out there. And if you have any suggestions, let us know in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching, you guys. Y'all have a great day. Late.